going to OFW Lounge, Terminal 3. Yes, we are in Terminal 3. Ito na, nahanap ko na. Ang galing. Hindi ko to naranasan sa Terminal 1 kasi na-exit ako doon. So, I have to experience this in Terminal 3. Legit, guys. See? So, legit, guys. Look. Ito yung charging station. Charging station, mag-charge ako later. Okay? Foods, guys. Foods. Biko. The Siopaw in any flavors. Dessert. Sandwiches. Cute. Chinta. Ay, legit siya. As in. So, ito lang kinuha ko. Snack. Alas 9 pa kasi sa alas 3. Dates for flights. Habang nandito kami sa loob. Departures. Next time ulit. Wala pa sa akin.